subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Huawei has silently launched its new smartphone under Y series called Huawei Y7p. The Huawei Y7p supports a 6.39-inch HD Plus display with a punch hole at the top left corner for selfie camera. The phone comes powered by Kirin 710F chipset paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. The phone is listed to pack with 4GB of RAM plus 64GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Huawei Y7p features a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera with f2.4 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, the company has added 8MP camera at the front with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie out of the box based on EMUI 9.1, and it comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also supports an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a MicroUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.81 by 76.13 by 8.13mm and it weighs around 176 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Y7p is now available for purchase in Thailand in two variants, Midnight Black and Aurora Blue color options. And it is priced at 4,999 Thai baht, which roughly translates to 11,500 Indian rupees or $160. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Y7p? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.